In this video, I'll show you how to rearrange pages in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, it's important to know that Word does not treat pages like separate slides in PowerPoint. In Word, pages are created automatically based on the amount of text, images, spacing, and page breaks in the document. This means you cannot usually just drag a page and move it around somewhere else. Instead, you rearrange the content of the page. So for the first method, we're going to use cut and paste. And in this sense, I'm going to say I want page 1 to be where page 3 is and page 3 to be where page 1 is. So I'm just going to select and drag over page 1 and press Ctrl+X, which is cut. Then I'm going to go to the top of page 2 now, which is page 3 here, and press Ctrl+V. And then I'm going to go to page 3, Ctrl+X, and paste it above page 2. And I'm just going to do some formatting there. Now I've swapped page 1 and page 3. For the second method, we're going to use something called the Navigation Pane. To do this, click View and then click the Navigation Pane. At the moment, if we click on Pages, it comes up with the 3 pages that we're working with. But in order to make this work, we're going to have to insert some headings. So I've already got page 1, page 2, and page 3. So I'm just going to select over that and then click Home and then click Heading. I'm just going to do the same for each page 1 and page 2 and page 3. I know this has worked because it's now appearing here, headings, page 1, page 2, and page 3. Because we've inserted headings, this is going to allow us to move these pages around. Because all this text is underneath page 1, I can click on this arrow. It goes up and down, which means it's bound to it. That means if I select on page 1 here and move it to the end, it's now at the end of my document. Page 2 is now first, then it's page 3, and then it's page 1. By simply putting headings, we can actually rearrange our pages in Microsoft Word. An additional method is to use Outline. This only works if you've got headings in place. So click View, then click on Outline. And here you'll notice that the headings are here, page 1, page 2, and page 3. And similar to before, if we select over page 2 here, the dial picks up and we can simply move it to the top of the page. Page 2 is now there, page 1, and then page 3. Once you're happy, click Close Outline View. And as you can see, page 2 is here, page 1, and page 3. We can simply use the navigation tool to move these pages around anytime we like. If this video has helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you'll learn other Word tricks and tips, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.